In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create employee in Creatio full 2026 guide. To get started, sign in to your Creatio account using an administrator or HR profile that has permission to manage employees. Once you're in, go to the left-hand navigation menu and open the Employees section. From there, click New Employee to begin creating the record. In the contact field, choose an existing contact for that employee. If the person hasn't been added as a contact yet, you'll need to create that contact first in the contact section, then come back and continue. After that, enter the employee's job title. If your company uses a more detailed naming format, fill in the full job title as well. Next, select the correct department or organizational unit and choose the account, meaning the employer or company, if that applies in your setup. Once those core details are entered, click Save to create the employee record. Then open the newly created employee profile so you can review and complete the information. Check that the employee's personal details are correct, especially their full name and photo if one is available. Add communication details such as the email address, business phone, and mobile phone. If needed, enter the employee's address information as well. You can also use this profile to store important notes, attachments, or supporting documents, which can be helpful for keeping everything organized in one place. Before moving on, review the manager field and assign the employee's manager if necessary, so reporting relationships are reflected correctly. If the employee needs access to Creatio, the next step is to create their system user account. Open System Designer and select System Users. Click New, then choose Company Employee. Make sure this new user account is linked to the employee's existing contact so the records stay connected. Then select the preferred interface language and homepage. Leave the active option enabled if the employee should be able to sign in right away. After that, assign the employee to the appropriate organizational and functional roles. This is important because roles control what they can see and do inside Creatio. You'll also need to grant the required licenses so they can access the relevant features. Once everything looks correct, save the user account. Finally, ask the employee to sign in using their assigned credentials and change their password if prompted. As a last check, confirm that the employee appears in both the employee section and the system users section, and that the permissions are set correctly. That's how to create an employee in Creatio from start to finish.